to the Dollar Tree to start my Christmas shopping for decoration. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am excited for today. So I have something up my sleeve and I'm doing a small DIY project, and guess what it is? I am painting my table, my kitchen table slash dining room table, because it's multi-purpose, right? Anyway, I'm excited about it. I had a, so what prompted me to paint the table is because it's pretty much damaged, because it was water damaged, because I used it for a drying rack for my dishes. So it kind of like jacked up the wood. So I figured, hey, let me paint it. I'm going to paint it black and see what the outcome comes, come out of it. So I think it might be super cute. So I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, before we move on to me doing the table, I just want to do a little vlog today. So today I'm making a pot of beans. So a little background on me, I am a pescatarian. So that means I eat seafood and a whole wealth of veggies and fruits. And yeah, but I also eat eggs, of course, because I'm not a vegan. So I'm getting my proteins there with the fish, the beans, and all that other stuff. My son, he eats meat, but he only eats chicken and turkey, so that's what I make for him. And yeah, that's it. So I am a pescatarian. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys are also a pescatarian or you don't eat meat. Now, this has been going on. I'm not even going to divulge my age. I'm sorry. I would say how long it's been since high school, since I haven't eaten meat. So thought I'd share that. But here's my beans. These are red kidney beans that I'm making. As you can see, they're boiling right now. They're getting soft, but as they get softer, I will be adding my ingredients. And the ingredients I usually use are, I cut up bell peppers, I cut up yellow onions, I cut up fresh garlic. Then also I add a can of diced tomato, which is the basil, oregano, and garlic flavored tomatoes. So, and I add that towards the end, and then I add some olive oil to it, and I let it cook down. And then I just eat it with rice. It's really yummy, guys. It's something you want to try, or I can show you from step by step the next time if you're interested. But here we go. So yeah, all right. first layer of the paint is done. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys that real quick, and yeah, and I'm gonna have to add a second coat, definitely, because it looks a little spotty. Alrighty, so I had to add my little apron on because I totally forgot I had light color pants on. And first of all, I don't know who told me to put a hoodie on. Why? It's hot as fire in here and I have a hoodie on. But I'm kind of stuck with it right now. All right, as you can see, the first layer is on, pretty spotty, as I stated before. So I'm gonna add the second layer of paint now. Alrighty, so here we go. Okay, this is the finished product. This is the second layer. I was gonna go for a third, and I was like, you know what, it's gonna be too much. So I think I'm satisfied with the 2 coats of paint. All right, so let's get some things on this table for Christmas. Okay, so I have a few things that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to set that up on the tables, and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, Dollar Tree, this is a lot of work. All right, there you have it. It is done. The table is nice. I love it. I love how it came out. Give it a much cleaner look in here. And I'm going to zoom in on my decorations on the table. Everything is from Dollar Tree. Okay, except for the mason jar, but the ornaments are from Dollar Tree. The cute little reindeer candle holder is from Dollar Tree. And the beaded M, which represents my last name. The cute little tree is from Dollar Tree. And the pine cone that fell off something. It didn't fall off of this, but I kind of grabbed it and brought it with me. And I love the poinsettias. Adorable. I love it. And I'm going to back up now. As you can see, I also bought those chair covers from the Dollar Tree as well. And I wanted to just zoom in on my previous DIY. It's still holding up. I love it. And yeah, I'm satisfied. Alrighty. There we go. Okay, guys, so of course you're seeing that the table is done. But I felt it was a little bland with the decorations. Yeah, the decorations are cute, but I wanted to amp it up a little bit. So I went out to the store, went to Family Dollar, and I have purchased this runner. I think it's super cute. Hopefully it's not too much red and it just kind of like washes things out. But I think it might look good. So I'm going to try it out. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I can't take it back once I open it, I'm sure. So I'm kind of stuck with it. But hopefully it looks good. I just wanted to add a little bit more to the table because the black is nice, but it needed something else. So let's see how it goes. Here it goes. I think it looks super cute. Not too much red. Okay, so this camera, it really doesn't do any justice. Right now, from me looking through the camera, it makes it look like it's orange, but in actuality, it's definitely a blood red. So it's super cute in reality, but on camera, unfortunately, it's making it look like it's orange. Debate if I want to put this candle back. Yeah, I guess it'll work. I think it's kind of cute. Well, yeah, it's not a big deal. So it's done. I think my table is done. I like it. It's a wrap on the table. So we have reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for supporting me and watching. I hope you enjoyed it today. I did my small little DIY project with my kitchen table / dining room table. And I did a little small cooking segment. Hope you enjoyed it. Although, sorry, I didn't film the end results of the beans, but they were delicious. So if I want to close this out the proper way. And until next time, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Toodles. Until next time.